Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2018 Audi Q5 all-wheel drive comfort package in the brilliant black finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include a 2-liter turbo 4-cylinder engine producing 252 horsepower, Xenon headlamps, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, turn signal integrated side mirrors, heated side mirrors, keyless entry with push start ignition, power windows and door locks, power adjustable front seats, hands-free controls, hands-free calling, multimedia display with backup camera and Bluetooth audio, dual zone climate control, heated seats, drive mode select, remote touchpad, split folding rear seats, black leather interior, rear climate control, all of this and much more. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.